Welcome. Today we'll be looking at Copy. It's a cloud backup and storage solution from Barracuda Networks. And Barracuda Networks makes storage and backup for businesses and enterprise. And Copy is targeted more at creative professionals and small to medium-sized businesses or startups. And this review is brought to you by Technology Advice and the Smart Advisor tool, which lets you compare 50 cloud backup and storage companies in under 2 minutes. Now, Copy works in a few different ways. There's the web interface where you can upload and download files, and you can see that on screen right here. And you can also install a folder on your desktop, much like Dropbox, and anything you put in that folder will be synced online. Copy also has applications for iOS and Android phones. And so it's a great option for keeping folders or files in sync across collaborative teams. It's a very clean layout, as you can see. We'll look at the web version. There's your default folder right here, which is going to be everything you upload. You can segment that, and then there's also another one here, which is shared with me, and that'll be anything that people send to you will be put in there. So the web interface is drag and drop, and we'll just use this test doc right here, and you can just add it right in there. And then once a file is added, you can click it, and you'll have options to share it. You can rename it, and you can check out the file activity, just changes that you've made, who it's been shared with, things like that. Allows you to keep track of your work in a group. And there's also a new interface that Copy is about to roll out. So we'll take a quick look at that. You can go to try the new beta. And this is what it looks like. So it's pretty much all the same features. You've got your account info up here, and your personal files down there. Just in a little sparse, little more modern interface. So the pros of Copy: it doesn't have any file size limits on individual files. So this test doc could have been 6 gigabytes. It still would have been able to upload and be shared. So that's great for if you're working on video projects or even large audio projects. Their storage prices are lower than Dropbox or Box. You also get 15 gigabytes for free, and you can add up to 5 users on that if you want to test it out. And they have native mobile apps, as I mentioned, for iOS and Android. The downside of Copy is that it's just cloud storage. It's not a cloud backup solution. So it's not designed for restoring your computer if your hard drive crashed or if you had major file loss. You're only going to be able to get back the things that you individually uploaded into that folder. They don't have 24/7 customer support, and there's no physical media restores. So if you do have a ton of files in there and you lose them off your computer, you will have to re-download all of them off your internet connection. Before you make any decision, however, on cloud storage, I recommend that you go to technologyadvice.com and use the Smart Advisor tool. Again, that's going to let you compare over 50 cloud backup and storage companies, including Copy, in under 2 minutes. Thank you for watching this walkthrough of Copy.